Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness. Welcome to my channel, and in this video we'll review the 7 best foods that fight depression. Research suggests that we can eat our way to a better mood. There are certain delicious, nutrient-rich foods that may help people with depression feel better. And many of these foods happen to be especially abundant in the spring and summer months. Are you wondering which foods to choose? Let's get started with the 7 nutrient-dense foods that can help you fight depression. Number 1, watermelon has anti-inflammatory properties. This sweet, refreshing summer treat is an excellent source of lycopene that protects delicate brain tissue. Watermelon helps lower the risk of inflammation related to neurological dementia and possibly mood-altering depression. For those of us with a sweet tooth, watermelon is full of nutrients and is a great comfort food substitute for treats that are high in sugar. Number 2, shrimp is high in omega-3 fatty acids. An easy mood-boosting meal is shrimp on the barbecue. Shrimp contains omega-3s that soothe our mood and ease depression symptoms. Low levels of omega-3s in the body can lead to psychiatric illnesses like depression. Recommended sources of omega-3 fatty acid foods include wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna. Number 3, bell peppers are full of fiber. 2.5 ounces of bell peppers have 2 grams of fiber. A 2021 study of menopausal women found that a higher fiber consumption is associated with reduced risk of depression. Number 4, corn is a super healthy carbohydrate. It's a starchy, high-quality vegetable that is full of fiber and nutrients. Tasty corn recipes include grilled corn on the cob, corn chowder, and mixed corn kernels with black beans. Beans are a high-quality carb that enhances mood levels also. Number 5, cherries may boost mood and boost brain power as well. Cherries are high in flavonoids and are protective against depression. Research from 2016 showed that consuming high amounts of flavonoids are tied to a lower risk of depression. Cherries have strong antioxidants that can optimize brain health and reduce the inflammation in the brain cells. Number 6, asparagus is rich in folate. Asparagus has depression-fighting nutrients, specifically the B vitamin folate, intracellular potassium, and other essential vitamins and minerals. A 2017 research study found that persons with depression had a lower amount of folate than people without depression. Number 7, cucumbers help keep you hydrated. Cucumbers are amply available in the spring and summer months and are bursting with B vitamins, which promote good mental health. The high water content in cucumbers helps alleviate depression symptoms and helps raise our hydration levels, especially when the weather is hot. Research from 2018 shows that hydration supports our mental health and dehydration heightens depression risk. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing to this channel for future food, health, exercise, and wellness topics. If you have a few extra minutes, please watch another video or 2 on my channel. Also, you may want to take a look at some of the health and wellness links in the description below. As always, I appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.